Hey there, future stock market moguls. Ready to dive into the world of stock analysis and start making informed investment decisions? Awesome. Today, I'm going to show you how to analyze stocks like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, you need to do your homework. Research is key. Start by understanding the company you're interested in. What do they do? What's their business model? Check out their website, read up on their products or services, and understand their market. Next, dig into the financials. Look at the company's financial statements, the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These documents will give you insights into the company's revenue, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Focus on key metrics like revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels. A company with steady revenue growth and manageable debt is usually a good sign. Don't forget to check out the company's management team. Are they experienced and reputable? A strong leadership team can make a big difference in a company's success. Now, let's talk about valuation. You need to know if the stock is priced fairly. Look at the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio, which compares the company's stock price to its earnings per share. A lower PE ratio could indicate that the stock is undervalued. But remember, it's essential to compare this ratio with other companies in the same industry. Also, pay attention to the company's competitive advantage. Do they have a unique product or service that sets them apart from the competition? This can be a significant factor in the company's long-term success. Take a look at the company's growth prospects. Are they expanding into new markets? Launching new products? Growth potential can drive stock prices higher over time. Lastly, keep an eye on the overall market and economic conditions. Sometimes, even strong companies can be affected by broader economic trends. Remember, investing in stocks involves risks, and it's crucial to diversify your portfolio to spread out those risks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. There you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to analyzing stocks like a pro. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy investing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.